Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So on today's video, I will be showing you guys a DIY creative, fun, personalized, memorable gift for someone. This is 12 envelopes, 12 dates type of gift. So what I mean by that is that you'll be creating 12 dates that you will be taking that person on each month. So with those 12 envelopes, you're going to be labeling each envelope with the month of the year from January to December, and inside the card you will be writing down a date that you will be taking your significant other or your loved one to each month. So you go ahead and plan it out, think about which date you want to do on which month, and you write it down, seal it off, make it look cute, and there you go. So these are the dates that I created for my boyfriend last year. So you will notice that the envelopes are already open, and that's because I already did them with my boyfriend. This was a gift for him last year in December for Christmas, and we did these dates all of this year. So I am going to show you guys exactly what I wrote and exactly what I did for him this year to give you some kind of guidance, inspiration, ideas for dates that you want to go ahead and create for your loved one. If you guys have any date ideas you guys would like to add, go ahead and comment down below. Let me know, let other people know, because I'm sure other people will appreciate it as well to go ahead and have added ideas. And I think that would be amazing, and I'm sure I would take some of those ideas as well. I do have other videos like this that are DIY gift ideas, as well as gift ideas in general for birthdays and Christmas. If you want to go ahead and check those out, I'll link them down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate every single one of you guys. I hope this was helpful. I hope you thought this was a good idea. I hope that everything goes well, and I'm sure that the person you create this for will absolutely love this gift. If you think this has been helpful, and if you think this is a great idea, creative, loving, personalized, go ahead and like this video. Go ahead and subscribe as well. I have several other videos that give you guys some gift guides or gift ideas. Until next time, until the next video, bye guys!